Hello, my name is Gyanendra and today I am presenting sensor based hand sanitizer which is cost around 560 rupees. 60 you can manage it. Okay, and here now you can see this is completely set up. Okay, I have soldered each and every wire with and this is a transistor. It's TP something, I'm not sure. I will give in description link. And there's a RI proximity sensor. So yeah, this is all you require. And yeah, one this is like water motor, which can consume the water and just put outside. I mean, wherever you wanted to take it, right? That's it. So let me just start it. I'm not sure when this time it will work or not, but yes, we can just have a test once. Yeah, 1 minute. Let me just put a little bit distance. Okay. So switch. I'm just switching it on, and then you can see here red LED, which indicates this IR proximity sensor is working fine. I mean, power is coming at least from the source. If I just put here my hand, then you can see now 1 minute. See, I'm just like this way. Again, one more time. You can do many times this thing, right? And here there's a motor. This takes water, and as output it will put output whatever you want to do it.